Are you tired and exhausted of thinking that there aren't enough hours in the day to complete everything? Do you regularly find yourself rushing through tasks without stopping to take a breather? We're going to teach you how to make a schedule that suits you and take back control of your time. These tips can help you manage every moment, no matter whether you're a hectic worker, student, or someone just looking for balance in your life. Alright, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Set task priorities. The first step in creating an efficient schedule is to prioritize your tasks. Spend some time analyzing your list of tasks to determine which things are most important to get done. You may make sure that you're moving forward with the things that really matter by focusing on high priority tasks first. Apply time blocking. Time blocking is a successful technique that involves creating specific time blocks for multiple tasks or activities. You may reduce distractions and keep your focus on one job at a time by assigning time frames for essential tasks. It's important to figure out each task's completion time accurately and to include in pauses when creating your schedule. Set realistic goals. It's important to set achievable goals for yourself while managing your time. Be realistic about the amount of work you can complete in a given day or week, and avoid filling your calendar with too many tasks. Achievable goals will keep you motivated and keep you from becoming overloaded. Learn to say no. Avoiding unnecessary commitments or tasks is one of the hardest scheduling challenges. Rejecting invites or requests that clash with your goals or objectives is okay. You may make more time for the things that are most important to you by setting limits and focusing on what really matters. Combine similar tasks. Try combining similar tasks together and finishing them in a single time period rather than jumping between different kinds of work throughout the day. Using this method can reduce the need to switch contexts and increase your productivity. Add the buffer period when scheduling your day. Be sure to include a buffer period in between appointments and tasks. Allowing for unexpected delays, problems, or activity transitions is what buffer time is all about. You can reduce stress and avoid feeling rushed when things don't go as planned by including more time to your agenda. Practice self-compassion. Lastly, keep in mind to schedule with self-compassion in mind. Since nobody is perfect, it's okay if plans don't always work out. Treat yourself with kindness, acknowledge and appreciate your successes, and learn lessons from any challenges or losses you face. You can get over any scheduling problems you have with a positive mentality and a little effort. As we come to an end, I encourage you to use these tips and see how they improve your daily life. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on personal growth and productivity. Please give this video a thumbs up and tell your friends about it if you think it's useful. We can all learn strategies to optimize our time and achieve our goals if we engage together. Thank you for watching.